Dead. 2, 3, 1,000. 3, 1,000.
1 stone. 2 stone. 3 stone. Alive?
Back it up.
Watch out.
Dead.
Oh, sorry. Woo! Nice try.
All right, you can respawn from both corners. You can respawn from both corners.
Thank you.
Yeah, you trainer.
Yep. Oh, I don't want to get hit.
I'll leg you, motherfucker.
Alive, but not on anything.
What side?
1, 2, 3, 5.
Give me an arrow! I need an arrow! I don't know.
Still left. All right, watch out, they're alive. 1, 2. Watch Mike. On your side. Hot back.
Hey, ooh, sorry.
That's it. I'm dead.
You good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
All right, sorry about that.
You're good, dude. Shit happens. You guys ready? You all signed away.
I had my thought.
Like, wait a minute.
Watch left side.
Okay.
Double. Leg. Dead.
Now I'm getting out.
Clearing.
3, 1,000.
Good hustle, boys.
Taking down.
You good, Gallon?
1, 2, 3. Alive. 3, 2, 1. Alive. There we go.
All right.
Okay.
You're good? You good, Ryan?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't want to get hit. I got my back to the wall. I was like, right?
No, really, Archer.
Thanks.
I was thinking about I can't really see out of this helmet. Call me if I'm out of bounds.
Girl is the out of bounds line right now. Yeah, he's close to it. He's just asking for it.
Double.
Oh, it's too late. That's right.
Clearing arrows. Clearing.
Alrighty, it is now 1 second response. 1 second response.
Live.
Ooh. You good, Si?
Sorry. Double. Leg. Good. 1,000.
There you go.
I got purple. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, Doc.
Oh, sorry. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
No, it happened. I do that all the time. Cheese kicks me so much.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey.
Leg.
oh, sorry.
Double.
Hello.
Hey, stand.
There we go. Head start. Dead.
1,000.
My dad.
I think you're still good. You're inside. I don't think it looks fun. I'll say that.
Stab left, nothing else.
Dead. Oh, dead. Nice dead. Nice dead.
Oh, you good? Sorry.
No, you're good.
Yep. Sorry, Ryan. Yeah, I was trying to indicate that, but
Leg. Post. Dead.
2,000 alive.
One 1,000.
Ivar, you got arrow to the back. All right, it is now instant respawn. It's touch and go race. Touch and go race.
All right, let me get on your right side. Alive. You can cross my side. Stay. Sauce mount.
Y'all doing okay?
Yeah. How dare you?
All right, Admiral, I'm gonna have you switch sides. Respawn.
I'm so sorry.
Sorry. Sorry, Mal.
It's just meat grinder.
Monty, respawn.
Okay.
Alrighty, I'm gonna introduce another aspect of this game. This does black damage. It only does black damage to legs. And if you're holding it and throwing it, you cannot have like another weapon in this. Black damage, the person instantly dies. It's got 5 uses.
You should not be able to kick it. Don't kick it.
You cannot kick it.
If you kick it, you die.
Alright, fighters ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1, lay on.
You have to pick it up and throw it.
You have to pick it up and you throw it at somebody else's legs.
But I can block it with.
Yeah, you can block it with a shield. It has to hit somebody's legs. Aim for the legs, not their face eye.
Sorry.
Black damage! It's got 4. Orion, you were out.
Beans. Step on me. I'm super dead. Watch out.
I wonder how long I can stand on enemy lines before they're just like,
We're about to find out.
maybe they'll come after me.
Alright, you have 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining.
Alright, let's go.
Well, you tell Google to check this one. There's kind of a snap sound when I got
Okay.
hit. I don't see any damage, but
Yeah. I'll set off this side. Thank you.
Alright, you guys ready?
Run 1,000. Or it's instant.
It's instant. You can just touch it.
Sweet.
You touch it and you're off to the races.
Watch Mike.
I'm just a dude. I'm just a dude. Don't have to go out first. Guy being a dude. Guy being a dude. Arrow, here. Dead. 5.
Yes. And all of you are too.
Just the grace.
Spicy.
Just right in the middle.
Running left.
good back.
Dead.
Right. Dead.
I'll take that.
You have 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go.
Dead.
Stab action. Yeah.
Right here. Alive. Dead.
5.
You have 30 seconds.
Alive. Oh, nice. Dead.
You have 10 seconds.
Get that weapon off the field. Oh shit! Yeah, it came off the car.
Oh shit, that's crazy.
Shotgun. It just came right off the car. Yeah. Ripped it off the shotgun.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, game.